Eddie's Adventure. Alright, so here I is. Let's go ahead and check on in. Oh, let's see. Oh, man. Why do I always feel like I'm out of breath when I come up here? Get some light up in here. Hmm. Oh. See if I can get some windows open here. What do you know? You could actually open the window. You know, that is how I like it. I love being able to open the window. Get some natural 13-degree air up in this room. Don't have to waste electricity with this thing. Which, of course, I will do overnight, just so I could have some kind of noise going. Okay. See, I can plug in my device right there. Let's see, how do you turn that on? Maybe that light switch. Okay, that turned on this overhead one. How do you turn on that? Let's see here. There's got to be a switch, because is it this? Oh, okay. It's that lit switch right there. Very good. This is a radio. Let's see if I can get that station I like up here. That radio really sucks. I can't even get it louder than that. Here, let me back up a bit. Get a little bit more. Kitchen station with the micro. Just like my motel in Prescott, they are going for Magic Chef brand. Except for the coffee maker, which is CV1, or the CVS television network with their fancy one. Just kidding. Oh, hello. Okay, go. Got a little makeup towel. Oh, they wanted to prep for my arrival. Okay. We got the bathroom here. This is a pretty nice room. I guess it's worth the price. $68 is what I paid before taxes. I hope this thing can shoot out. Looks like it might only be one speed. So I kind of don't like that. What's this? Oh, okay, timers. 60-minute, 30-minute. I guess that's heat. Yeah, heat lamp. Imagine that. Someone wearing a Phoenix, Arizona vest thing using a heat lamp in Arizona. Okay, I guess that concludes the room tour. See, I can't even hear this radio. This is terrible. And this, of course, the radio station does not stream online because I've wanted to listen to the station back home. Okay. I like this because I could actually put my luggage here instead of, you know, back over there where the rack is. So TV's kind of crooked. Oh, there we go, fixed it. All right, thanks for joining me on the room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And there is the Motel 6th right across the street, or next door. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching.